Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukanrat ke Sangma Hakapra Tarik Naiwiang Ula Plipat Ba Yak Office Trekam Batma Jaka Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC Hadakop Gri Tura West Garo Hills Ha Kajingran Lang Ulampang Kaying Darbar Thoan Kajala U Thomas E Sangma Habakran Ha Kajingalang Menteri Rangba Ula Ong Bakanika Office MPSC Batmai Kan Ajimanto Shibo Ni Kisamla Karilum Garo Kibaha kisnam belalan kilahap an pelut por hadu shipo hadu katsan kenta kata baro shimit ban leche shlong na kabenta banyale eki exam jongki kibabun ki juan poi hapdeng ka jingsho than bat lit rung bet shak jaka tho exam klem yo tang ban penja than da ka jingyo ya kanika office thamai ki samla pulimentai kila banyale eki exam bat ki interview jongki hangni hi hapo tura ula ong Ula ong ru baka jingya lenti ka bajinga baka jingbam yo ban penja that kala punthot ya ka jinga shimbenta jongki kertong ki bayale eki exam bat kani ka day ka jing e ka bakraw yi kertong natura bat na ki way pat ki benta jong ka jila kani ka way na ki office bakong san tam ban pli bat ka jingta ka ba kani ka office kandan na ka benta ki samla bat ka lawi jongki kan long ka bakraw bat ka ay ka jing sngo hun ka bakraw ban pli ya kanika office menta kasingi ula benram. Menteri Rangba upun benaru baka exam MPSC beningkong hatura kan long haga kat saw terik nai wiang aja pesan kaban long kalendong kabatmai kaban pensuk shibuan hakabaya day baka jing pelong ya ka jing rungkam. Ula benrap ru baka sorkar kadan ya ka jing temu ban penyar kumju ya kini jing tay syapot rilum jantia kenang ban penti kena ya ka jing penyo ka maringkan hakeling kejela. Kiway pat kibala ajing keren ha kani kasingi ki kentup yaw lampang kayang dorbar tauan kajela ha kajingadon lang u Deputy Commissioner ka West Garo Hills u Vibhor Agarwal Abraham T. Momin Chairman Tura bat ki officer ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission bat na kiway pat kitnat sorkar.
Friends, today is a very significant day for the state as a whole, and especially to the people of Garo Hills, and more importantly, to the young people of this region of our state. With the opening of this office, will change, I should say, the course and the future of many youngsters in our state, especially in the region of Garo Hills. It would be unfair for me to try and explain the difficulties that they have faced, because I did not go through that phase. But we can well imagine that the youth, when they had to give exams for MPSC, sometimes they would travel 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours all night. They would reach Shillong without any rest. In the morning time, they would go straight to the examination hall, give the exams. The major interviews, our students and our youngsters will not have to travel far. Right here, exams as well as the interviews will be held right here in Tura. There could be some interviews where there are only 2 posts or 3 posts, where logically it becomes difficult for MPSC to host multiple venues for limited number of posts. Those cases being an exception, majority of the exams and majority of the interviews will be held, as I said, right here in this campus and this office in Tura for the Garo Hills region. Our next step is to now further expand this process to make this facility available to our youth from Jaintia Hills. And I hope our chairman being from Jaintia Hills himself, will take this initiative to ensure that Jaintia Hills also must get this infrastructure so that children can have their exams right there. Sometimes people used to ask me, so Jowai is only 1 hour away from Shillong. Do we really need to have an office there? So I tell people, Jaintia Hills is not just Jowai. Jaintia Hills is also Ratachera. So for a person to reach from Ratachera to Jowai itself is 4 hours. Then from Jowai to Shillong is 1 hour. It's a very, very long distance, and that's still the main highway. There are many interior locations where the youth will take hours and hours to reach Shillong. And therefore it is our endeavor, whether it is MPSE or whether it is any government service, we want to ensure that we are able to make the services accessible to the citizens and to the youth and the people of our state.
This establishment of this office is a testament to the unwavering commitment of the Meghalaya government, led by our respected Chief Minister Dr. Conrad Sangma, to the principles of decentralization and equitable development. By bringing this vital institution closer to the people of Garo Hills.
Today is a very, very important and historic day, I should say, especially for the youth of this region in Garo Hills, as we inaugurate the MPSC office here in Tura, which has been a long pending demand as well as a long pending need for the people of this region. In the past, our children had to travel long distances in difficult conditions to give their exams, which affected the exams itself. Therefore now they will be able to give the exams as well as have the interviews right here in Tura itself without having to travel too far. And that sense of comfort will be there in them, which I'm sure will help them in the overall performance in the exams also. So I'm truly happy, and I must congratulate MPSC, I must congratulate PWD and others who have made this possible. And I wish the MPSC and all the other stakeholders the very best.